Good afternoon once again, my dear angelic students. And now we are on the lesson 2 of our research 1, entitled Scientific Attitudes. Before we proceed to our lesson for today, let's have first a short review of what have we discussed last Thursday. All right. What is curiosity? All right. Curiosity is a scientific attitude, which is a disposition of an act that is commonly observed on how scientists work. Curiosity is a desire to learn about things that are strange or not usual. Curiosity gives a man the desire for knowledge, information, or ideas. This is usually the start for him to apply the other science process skills. Generally, people don't get into science in the first place if they are not curious about the natural world. It's the curiosity that makes the subject interesting to a scientist, and also the motivation for doing research. The world is an amazing place with a lot to explore and discover. So being curious may have both positive and negative effect. Question number 2. Why curiosity is important? I know most of you do know already what or how important curiosity is. Okay? So as a sort of review, I will be giving you the two important reasons why we need to have curiosity within ourselves. Number 1, it gives you a fresh perspective. Most people have just one or two lenses to see a problem through. But curious people have many different lenses. As a result, they can see something that many others people can't. And number 2, it gives you fresh ideas. Using the term from the Medici effect, curiosity gives you intersection experience, where concepts from different fields collide with one another and produce fresh ideas. Since curious people get more intersection experience, they consequently get more fresh ideas. This morning, our lesson is all about intellectual honesty. Here are our learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to recognize and show scientific attitudes, most specifically about intellectual honesty. We have here some guided questions. And number 1, what is intellectual honesty? Number 2, how important to have an attribute of being intellectually honest into becoming a researcher. Number 3, when and how do we show intellectual honesty? So before we proceed to our lesson proper, let's find out how much do you know about this lesson. Please click the next activity below for you to answer all the 5 questions honestly.